In this video, we will learn how to automatically renew certificates in an Azure virtual machine or virtual machine scale sets. The virtual machine setup is shown here. The virtual machine is connected to an Azure application gateway. The certificate is stored in Azure Key Vault and installed in the application gateway. The DNS zone is used to manage the custom domain and the DNS records. In the RCL SSL portal, you should create a certificate using the Azure DNS and Key Vault option. This option supports automatic renewal. Please look at the video on how to create a certificate using Azure DNS and save it to Key Vault. The link is in the description. The certificate that is saved to Key Vault is installed in the application gateway that is connected to the virtual machines. Please look at the video on how to install a certificate in an Azure application gateway. The link is in the description. You will need to use the RCL SSL AutoRenewFunction to automatically renew the certificate. Please look at the video on how to install, configure, and test the AutoRenew function. The link is provided in the description. To summarize, create the certificate using Azure DNS and Key Vault. Install the certificate from the Key Vault in an application gateway that is connected to the virtual machines. Use the RCL SSL AutoRenew function to automatically renew the certificate in the Key Vault. Thank you.